How to blend images in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Begin by opening up your base image, then import your image that you want to blend. Position the image to where you want it to sit. For me, I'm just going to put this bottle of Prime on this table. Once you're happy with the position, click the tick at the top or press enter on your keyboard. Next, select your second image. This will open up this contextual taskbar. If you don't see this, just right click on the blank space and you should see show or hide contextual taskbar. Next, select Harmonize. Photoshop is going to analyze the image and look at how it can harmonize this bottle within this scene. Once that's complete, when you come over to your properties panel, you're going to see 3 different variations. You can click through these and choose one that works best for you. I think I prefer this version for this demonstration. Now, if you want to see what the before and the after looks like, you can come down to your layers panel and then just enable or disable this harmonized layer. As we can see there, we've gained shadows in the background and around the bottle. We have lost some vibrance of the bottle, but it does make it look a lot more realistic in this scene, and that's all there is to it.